Today we are doing a procedure called Chara Karma for persistent nose blockage. This is a case who is suffering from stuffy nose. He complains of one side blockage of nose, constantly one side blockage, and when we examine the nose we find it is because of hypertrophy of the inferior turbinate. I can show you, this is the inferior turbinate. This is the inferior turbinate that is getting hypertrophied. This is the cause of the nasal block in this person. If it is simple swelling of the turbinates, it gets relieved very well with use of decongestant nasal sprays and also oral decongestant drops and oral medicines. But in this case, it is persistent swelling and the submucosa is getting hypertrophied. There is submucosal fibrosis. These cases they don't get relief with decongestant nasal drops, and we have to do some sort of surgery to give the patient relief of the nasal blockage when the case is of hypertrophy of the inferior turbinate. So in this case we are not likely to get any result with the use of medicinal line of treatment. We have to choose some surgical line of treatment. In the contemporary science there are many things like surgery of the turbinates, then radio frequency ablation, submucous diathermidary. Ultimately some sort of surgical procedure or parasurgical things we have to do. So in Ayurveda we have a very good parasurgical therapy, that is Chara Karma. So with this we will try to reduce the size of the inferior turbinate so that the patient gets relief from nasal blockage. So what are the items we will need today? We need the nasal speculum. This is the nasal speculum. Small one for examination and this is for the surgery. I need a probe, Jobson horn probe for application of the Chara as well as diagnostic procedure. I need a scissor and X-ray plate because I have to guard the septum from being burned by Chara. So I will use a piece of X-ray plate and I will cut it with the scissor. I need a nasal packing forceps. With this I will be packing the nose posteriorly, and this will also be used for application of the X-ray plate. I need cotton, I need a gauze piece so that I can pack the posterior part of the nose. We need Chara. This Chara is prepared in our college, Abhamark Chara. This Chara will be applied in the anterior aspect of the hypertrophied turbinate. We need lemon. This is after application of the Chara, we would like to neutralize the effect of the Chara with the application of the lemon juice. So before that, we would like to spray the nose with Dignopil. Like to spray the nose with Dignopil so that the patient doesn't get problem, he doesn't get suffer from pain. So I have sprayed the nose with Dignopil. I will put a gauze piece in the posterior part. So that the Chara doesn't go into the posterior part of the nostril and the pharynx. For that purpose gauze is given. We have to put the X-ray plate. Before that we have to cut it to the desired size of the nostril. This will protect the septum, nasal septum, if it doesn't get burned by the Chara. Our idea is to only to cauterize the inferior turbinate and we cannot disturb the nasal septum, otherwise there will be postoperative synechiae. To to avoid the chances of synechiae, we are giving this as protection. I am taking chara in the floor. Going to apply this chara on the swollen turbinate. I'll request the student to see 1 minute time. So this is chara applied. We are keeping it in the position for 1 minute. We are applying it to the anterior aspect of the swollen turbinate. Please inform me in 1 minute. So it is 1 minute is over. Next we will neutralize the effect of the chara with the application of lemon juice. My student has already squeezed lemon juice. With this we will be neutralizing the chara from around that area. So I am taking lemon juice and neutralizing the chara. So I am taking off the chara. Next we'll be taking out which we had put to protect the septum. We'll be also taking out the gauze piece. So this is the chara. It would have entered the nasal cavity into the nasopharynx. So this has protected this. Again we will wipe off the nasal cavities. You can see this is the anterior aspect has been cauterized, and we will be seeing slough formation. Slough will be after 1 week we can call the case. We will be seeing slough formation, and once we remove the slough, then we will be expecting a patent nasal cavity because we will be reducing the size of the inferior turbinate. So once the size of the inferior turbinate is reduced, or as the slough is taken away, then we expect the patient will have relief from blocked nose. So this is the procedure. Chara karma is the established parasurgical procedure in Ayurveda. It has been successfully used in other part of the body as well as the anorectal region and other parts of the body. This is very popular in cellular control, and in Salika control also you are using it successfully for blocked nose in hypertrophy of the inferior. But proper anatomical knowledge is important, proper diagnosis is important, and also instrumentation is important, so that we do not come with any other complications as well as problems. Otherwise this is a very cheap as well as effective treatment.